In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to solve a logarithm of numbers greater than 1. Okay? And we are going to do that with the aid of this four-figure table. But before then, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do it now so that you will get notification when I upload new video. That is the essence of subscribing, and it costs nothing. And another thing, you can still recommend a topic or any subject that you would like me to teach in my next class. Okay, now back to the question that we have on the board. And the question says, evaluate root of this 95067, that is 95,000 and the word 67. This is the same thing as 95,000 and the 67 raised to power 1/2. Now to solve this, I will state the number. This is the number that we have, 95067. This is the column for the log. Now, for the log that we have, first of all, there is invisible point. I will make it to be visible. Okay? Now, for this visible point, now when I convert this to standard form, it will move 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, since this point will move 4 before it will get to in front of 9, it means that the character is what? Is 4. I will now put points. So the next thing that I will do now is I will look for 95 under 0. And the 95 under 0 is 9777. Now, remember that what I did is 95 under 0. Difference. This number is above 4. So I will call it 1. I will add 1 here, it will become 7. So what I will do now is what? Difference 7. And difference 7 is 3. So when I add it up, we will have 978 what? 0. So next thing that I will do now is, remember that what we have is root, and the root that we have here is what? Square root, meaning that I will divide this by 2. So when I divide it by 2, we will have 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. Point. 9 divided by 2 will give us 4, remember 1. So when I attach it here, it will be 17. 17 divided by 2 will give us what? 8. Remember 1. I will attach it here, it will be what? It will be 18. 18 divided by 2 will give us what? 9. Okay. 0 divided by this, it will give us what? 0. So the next thing that I will do now is I will go to antilog. For the antilog, I will look out for 48 under 9. I will look out for 48 under 9. For the 48 under 9, we have 3083. 3083. Okay. So the next thing that I will do now is that the character is what? 2. I will add 1. So when I add 1, it will become what? 3. So the point will move this way. I will go like this. 1, 2, 3. So answer to the question is what? 308.3. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.